Hey guys, welcome to AWS Cloud in Easy Steps. In my previous session, we have learned about how to create a repository and how to make it trackable with the command of git init and then git status, git log. So we have clear all these area in my previous recording. So you can see, and today we will start from next we will move forward and we will start from adding new file in local repository. And as you remember, in my previous session I have created a file name with imtiaz.java. So I will show you guys if we are going to make any change in the file, then what we need to do. So, and also I will show you how to add the file, how to check the difference, what is the difference in previous version. And because we are talking about version control, so in previous version and what is new in this version. So I will show you step by step, guys. Bear with me. And then I will show you how to add a file in staging area, how to check all these, and how to delete the file, how to recover the file. So I will step by step guide you everything, guys. So let's go to start from adding a new file into local repository. So I will start you from here, guys. I am here in the Ubuntu machine, and this is the main screen. I just want to show you, last time we have created the file with the name of imtiaz.java, right? So this is our previous file with the hello world, welcome to AWS Cloud in easy steps. So just suppose if I want to add anything, or if I just want to create a new version, and then I want to add something into the file. So let me show you, guys. I will go to add one more line. Suppose last time we have mentioned hello world, welcome to AWS Cloud in easy steps. And uh, today is our first first session. Or you can write anything, like, guys. This is the first session about adding and deleting the files, right? So just suppose you can see, you can mention anything. Or if you are developer and you have developed your new code, you have made some changes in the code, and then you have to make the changes in the file. And then I will go back to main screen, guys. So with the same command wq, so I will see at imtiaz.java, imtiaz.java, right? So you can see here, this one was previous. Hello world, welcome to AWS Cloud in easy steps. Today is our first session about adding and deleting the file. So if I check the status, so then I will show you git status, right? Sorry, git status, right? If you see the status, so it is saying modified. So it means I have modified the file, because this is our Imtiaz is our repository. And Git is tracking my every change I am making in file folder, any change I am making. So Git is tracking. So I have just made the changes in the file, so it says Imtiaz.java is modified. So now we need to do the same step again. We need to add git add, give the look, it is saying no change added to commit, use git add and or git commit minus a. So anyway, I will go to add the changes, git add imtiaz.java, right? And now it is added. Now you can see the status, git status, right? If you see the git status, you can see the difference. The file was modified, okay, and it was not in our local repo. Let me show you here. So we have made once we have made the change, and then we are back into our in our working directory and staging area, because our that was our local repo, and now in the working directory we made some changes, and then we again give the command git add and to move this file to the staging area, and then from staging area to local repo we will give the command which is git commit. Let's go to do that. So this file is added now, but it is not committed now. So we are going to commit the file now to move it to our local repo. So let's go to git commit minus m, file imtiaz.java modified .java modified, right? So this is the message we have given. Once we whatever changes we will made, we will give the message. So anyway, so we are here now. So let me show you the git status, right? If you are giving git status, it is saying on branch master. So it means this is in our branch master in our local repo. So it says nothing to commit, right? So see the difference, guys. Here it was not committed, and the system was saying changes to be committed. We need to commit the changes. So now we have given this command, git commit minus m. So and we have write the message. So now system is saying nothing to commit. Yeah, here it was saying to changes to be committed, and now here it is saying nothing to commit. Working directory clean. So it means our working directory is cleaned. So we have committed the changes, right? So this step, guys, you need to remember. So now I will show you guys. Just suppose, I'm just going to start from again from new file. We will create new file, and then I will guide you. We will learn about how to create a file and how to delete file, how to revert file. So I will guide you step by step, guys. So let's go to clear the screen, right? So let's go to, just suppose go to create the file, like touch file a, file 1, okay. Then I will go to create some file like touch file 2, right? And then again touch file 3, right? So we will create 3 files, okay. So now we will check git status, right? You can see, guys, these are 3 untrackable files: file 1, file 2, file 3, which we just created now. These are untracked. So to make it tracking, so we will go to add this file, git add file 1, right? And then git add file 2, git add file 3, right? So these files are added now. Now you check the status, git status, right? You can see did not match. Oh, sorry. So you can see these 2 files are added, and I need to add the third one, git add file 3, right? So you can see status now. Status, you can see all 3 files are added in the staging area. So now from staging area to local repo, we need to move the files with the command of commit, git commit minus m, file, I will say all files created, right? Okay, you can see here guys, if you check the status now, git status, right? So there is a on branch master, nothing to commit. So you can see everything is on our branch master now, so we don't have to commit anything now. So now guys, just suppose if I want to remove, I don't need these files anymore, so I want to remove these files. So let's go to check the git log first. Git log minus minus one line, right? You can see guys, JIT is tracking our JIT is tracking our each and um, every change. So file created Imtiaz Java, which we created last time, and then we have modified Imtiaz.java modified, so we have modified it, and then we have created all these three files and we have committed all these files, and then we can see all the files are created. So now I will go to delete these files. So and then I will show you how to do that. So I will go to git. Let me clear the screen first, right? So I will go to git rm file1, right? So and now you can see there was three file, and file1 will not be there. So ls minus lrt, right? You can see guys, this is imtiaz.java is here, which we create earlier in last session, and you can see file 1 is not here, file 2 and 3 only, 2 and 3 are here. So file 3 is here. So you can see this is the file 3, 2 and 3 here, but file 1 is deleted. Let's go to delete another file. So git rm file 2 file 2. So you can see status, git status. So you can see deleted one, deleted file 1, deleted file 2. Both files are deleted now. So let's go to delete file 3, right? Git rm file 3, file 3, enter. So this file is being deleted. Now you can check the status. So you can see all three files are deleted, guys. Remember? So now I have guided you how to create a file, how to delete a file. Now we want we want to revert this file back, guys. Just suppose, excuse me, just suppose, mean, if it is accidental deleted and then you want to revert these files back, then you need to, let me show you here. So so you can see guys, we have used this command to add new file in staging area. We have used the command git add and then git commit to add this new file in local repository, and now git status to check the status every time, right? So see guys, these are all the files we have deleted, and now we just want to just suppose if it is accidental deleted and we want to revert these files. So let's go to use the command. Let me show you here. So we have deleted the files. We have add commit status and delete file, delete here rm, yeah, this one, to delete a file both from working directory and git rm file name, and then you can see we need to go to, I will show you how to do that. Let's go to these are all files are deleted, right? And now we need to we want to commit these changes, and then we will go to git commit minus m -m, all files deleted, right? So you can see guys, we have right, so we have committed all these change guys. Now you can check the status, git status, right? So it says on branch master nothing to commit, so it means working directory clean. So now we want to revert. We can see the log now, git log minus one line, right? You can see guys, the file was created. It is showing you all the history. File created, imtiaz.java modified, all file created, all file deleted, right? So and our working tree is clear now. So now I want to revert these files back. So these are the logs. So I will go to git checkout, and then we will take the log of this file, right? So I will click, I will highlight, and I will right click on it, and then I will say file, file one, yeah, file one. So you will see guys in the status, in the ls minus lrt, right? You can see guys that this file is back now. So we did not deleted imtiaz.java, so this file was already there. So this file was deleted, and file one is back now. So let me check status, git status, right? So you can see new file, file one is here, right? So now guys, similarly you can revert the other files back. Let me clear screen, right? So you can see, you can say git checkout. Sorry, let me bring the log first. Git log minus one line, right? So these are all the logs are here. So you can see guys, if we want to revert the file, then git checkout, and now we need to take this log. Keep in mind guys, that you need to only take the log which is when file was created, when you commit the file, you just need to take that log, not the deleted one. Okay, if you take the deleted file logs, then it won't work. So now I will go to file 2, right? So now you can check the ls minus lrt, right? You can see file 2 is back now. File 1 was back before, file 2 is back now. Now we will go to take the file 3 back. So now git checkout, and now this log, and then file 3, right? So now check git status, um, right? So you can see all these three files are back now with the name of new file, file 1, file 2, and file 3. So all I have showed you guys that this is the how to create a file, how to delete a file, and how I will show you one more thing guys. We have made the changes. So what is we have made the changes in imtiaz.java. Let me go take you back to the file vi imtiaz.java, right? So these two lines were already there, right? So I will go to, I will show you guys here. If you make any change, okay, and then you want to see only the difference. For example, if the if it is a new variant, and then your update is coming and it says new updates available, so you want to see the what is new, right? So just suppose if I am writing here, today is sunny day, anything guys, mean I am just going to show you as an example. So today is sunny day is the new, the rest of all was previous. So now I will go back to the main screen, right? So I will give the command git diff. No, I will show you cat git cat imtiaz.java, right? You can see all the changes are here. Hello world was before. Welcome to AWS Cloud in this step. Today is our first session, and now this is the new line which we have just added. Today is sunny day. So I just want to check in the system in what is new. I just want to see git status, right? You can see the this file is modified, right? And I just want to see what is the what is new. So I will go to git. Let me clear the screen, guys. Clear the screen. Git diff intel.java, right? You can see here, guys, what is the difference, what is the new. JIT is showing me the difference. Today is sunny day. This is only green line. This is the new. Rest of all is the older version. So only in the newer version, only this line is added. So it's showing me in the in the green word. So this is the git diff. So now, guys, I just want to go to git add, sorry, git add gas.java, right? Git commit minus m in intel.java intel.java modified, right? This is the modified now, right? Enter. So intel.java, now you can check the status, git status, right? Nothing to commit. So it is our directory now. So guys, in this session, I have showed you how to create a file, how to delete a file, how to add a file, how to use command git commit minus m, and how to check the status. And next, I have showed you file difference. I mean, what is the newer in the version. So I have showed you, I have explained you. We have learned git diff, and then git add, git diff, git commit minus m. So we have cleared all these files, and I have showed you how to add a file, how to delete a file with git rm, and how to commit a deleted file. I have showed you just now. So we will finish here, and I will guide you in my next tutorial how to move forward, and then how to remove file from git repository and not working. And now I will show you step by step, guys, the next steps. So I will finish it here today, and we will move forward in my next tutorial. Thank you very much, guys, for your listening. Have a good day.